In this series of recordings, we'll be talking about creating your target and recognition of holes. Now you'll note that the button for recognition for holes is at this moment disabled. That's because the target has not yet been defined. If there will be a checkbox here, that means it was defined. But in this case, it was not defined yet. And the recognition of holes must be based off of the target. So first, let's create our target. We create our target, and this is actually a very simple step. We'll click on target, and all you have to do is click on the part itself. And you can see that we have our target picked. If I click on show, you can actually see that that is our target. Now, if you have multiple bodies for targets, you can add those as well, and you'll have multiple bodies here also. The target is used in many cases for 3D machining, for your HSR, HSM, for target protection in 2.5D operations, and in other places. So it's always a good idea to have your target defined. I'll click on the checkbox to accept it. And now we're ready to do recognition. You'll note that recognition now is enabled. Now, recognition is done for the holes that are on the part. The moment I click on it, it starts the process of recognizing the holes, and it will recognize all the holes, no matter what coordinate system that they may be on. And even if you have not assigned a coordinate system, it will recognize the holes. Let's take a look at exactly what it recognized. You can see that it recognized tapped holes, the counterbore holes, the countersink holes, and the simple holes. And you see every time I click on just say tapped holes, it'll show me what are the tapped holes. If I open that up, it'll show me the shape that it found. In this case, it's on this side over here, but you'll also note that the direction does not have a coordinate system because I have not defined one yet. If I will define a coordinate system, it'll automatically change into that coordinate system. We also have this shape over here for those on the other side, as well as this shape on these over here. Let's go for a moment now into our counterbore holes, and we'll see that the counterbore hole is actually one hole that we have right in the middle, and it shows MAC 1 position 1. If I go into the group itself and right click on it, I can do show hole. And in the show hole, we see all of the information that we know about that hole. And it allows you to even add tolerances to any part of that hole. I'll just accept this. And we have now concluded with recognition of the holes. So basically, we are all set up now, and we can start our operations. And to do that, we just accept all, and we are ready to start our operations.